Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is that Marx Commodore Vanderbilt, and I just put this 999 motor in it. So it's going to be the first trip around the track. Now, I've never seen a Commodore Vanderbilt with a 999 motor. And just a slight modification, just had to drill a couple of mounting holes for the 999 motor to fit this shell. So it's going to be an interesting test. Never done this before, never even seen one. So we're on the third rail, power is on. Let's take this around. A Commodore Vanderbilt with a 999 motor. Alright, stick this decent speed here. There's 50% power. So, that doesn't look too bad. On a cleaned up engine, repainted engine, that would actually look quite nice. A genuine custom Commodore Vanderbilt. So it runs well. This is just a single reduction motor. No doubt it works. And like I said, the top of the slide is even with the top of the or the bottom of the frame, so it actually looks quite good. Anyway, I will very likely repaint this now, make it a really unique Commodore Vanderbilt. Never seen one before. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com, and as always, thank you for watching.